Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up automatic payments with Credit One. So it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste any more time. Let's just get straight into it. So first thing you're going to do is to sign into your Credit One account. You can do that online on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. And once you sign into your account, you just want to click on payments, and then you want to select automatic payments. Now you're going to enter your payment information and confirm the automatic payments setup. Next, you want to review and understand the automatic payment terms and conditions. And then once that's all settled, you just want to consider setting up payment reminders, because if you set up payment reminders, that's going to alert you when payments are pending or before the time. That way you get to make those payments on time. And just contact Credit One's customer support if you have any questions or concerns that you are having trouble getting through. And make sure you review and understand the automatic payment programs detail, and that's going to help you to really save a lot of headaches. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up automatic payments with Credit One. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.